Good morning mga boss! Welcome to another video, and today bago tayo bumaba ng Manila, mag-lunch muna tayo dito sa isang restaurant na sobrang ganda talaga ng view at mapapasarap talaga ang kain mo dito. Sabahan nyo kami, kain tayo ng lunch dito sa M&N View Deck. Let's go! Alright, so before we start dun sa taas, dito muna tayo sa may parking space. So, dito, libre parking, pero limited lang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 para sa maliit na sasakyan. Nandyan, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, medyo mag-a-adjust lang yan. So, 13 carports, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motorcycle, 7. Ayun, 7. Lucky number 7 para sa ating motorcycle parking spots. So, paunahan lang, and in case na maubusan kayo ng parking spot dito sa may baba, there's also a parking spot doon sa may labas mismo. Pero, along dun sa side dun sa side ng road, probably 2 or 3 sasakyan lang yung pwede na magkakasya doon. So, in any case naman na talagang wala na kayong mapagparkan, sabi lang kayo dito sa attendant, baka sakaling may alam sila. Tara, pass tayo sa loob. Alright, so dito sa may baba, sa may first floor, you have coffee shop. So, ayan, meron tayong mga tables dito. Okay, ayos oh. Visa accepted here. So, card payments is good. I think GCash is also good. Pay with my QR, PH accepted. So they also have QR codes for payments. In case naman na taga dito kayo, you can also order via Grab, and this is what you have in here. Ayan. So sa mga cakes, meron dito, I think this is Brazo de Mercedes. Yeah, Brazo de Mercedes. I think this is ube cheese, and then you also have leche flan. Ayan, hindi ko sure, pero ayan. So this is the coffee shop area. Tara, akit tayo, second floor. Alright, second floor. So nandun yung CR, and then you have your Oasis Transient. So dito, mag-inquire lang kayo dyan sa loob. And then you can also eat here, and then ayan, meron tayong isang table doon, and then you have your heart in here, and then ito yung, I think this is, what's this? Parang lounge, no? Parang lounge area. And then ayun yung stairs paakyat, third floor. So tara, third floor naman tayo. Let's go. Alright, third floor. So you have your bar in here, and then tables. Ayan. And then of course, nandito kayong banda, you have your view. Alright guys, so umorder kami ng 2 lang, shrimp, gambas, tsaka ng fried chicken, tapos rice. Tapos yung mga kasama namin, umorder sila ng parang set meal or parang basta combo meal. May mga spaghetti, what do you call this, nachos, and may mga pizza. And then ito kami, hindi pa kami kumakain ng rice, so rice muna kami. Ayan. So, tara, check natin or tikman natin kung masarap ang kanilang food. Alright, so let's try the chicken first. Ayan. Malaki yung yung serving ng chicken. Marami. Isang serving is 8 pieces. Tapos, crunchy siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, let's try chicken first. Cheers. Medyo buttery. Lasa ng chicken. Okay yung lasa ng yung laman. Crunchy. Crunchy yung balat. Let's try yung gravy. Gravy din siya. Gravy lang muna. Peppery. Peppery yung gravy. Mukhang okay siya sa ano. Okay siyang isabaw sa kanin. Ang ganda. Shrimp gambas. Ito naman. Tikman muna natin yung sauce. Alam ko ang gambas is medyo maanghang.
Yes.
Medyo maanghang ang gambas talaga. Ayan. Yung sauce muna. Rice. Okay. Hindi siya sobrang maanghang. Mali. Ayun na yung anghang. Pagkatapos mong kainin, or pagkatapos mo siyang subo, tsaka siguro bilang ka mga 3 seconds. Yun, medyo mararamdaman mo na yung anghang. Pero hindi pa rin siya sobrang anghang talaga. Shrimp naman, ng shrimp gambas, of course. Let's try this out. Saktong-sakto. Bouncy. Masarap yung ano? Masarap yung lasa ng gambas. Ano siya? Savory sweet. Tapos andun yung anghang sa dulo. Hindi siya masakit sa bibig. Ayun. So, ito naman yung binili namin. Enjoy lang muna namin ang lunch. Tara, kain tayo. And balikan ko kayo later with the verdict. I-grade din natin siya. Alright guys, so kakatapos lang kumain. Ayun, busog. Pero, ayun, rate natin yung food. Technically, dalawa lang naman. Since sobrang dami nung serving yun. So, first off, yung chicken, tender yung laman, yung labas crunchy, pero yung pagka-crunchy niya is because of probably breadcrumbs kasi ginamit, pero may lasa naman, may lasa yung breadcrumbs, may lasa yung breading na ginamit niya, so okay pa rin siya. Yung loob may lasa din, kumbaga properly seasoned yung chicken. So for this, the fried chicken for me is going to be an 8 out of 10. And for the shrimp gambas, man, the shrimp gambas, yun talaga, sulit. Ang dami nung shrimp, as in nilalagay nila doon, good for 3 to 4. Okay, maniniwala. Yung gambas, good for probably 5 packs, 5 to 6 packs. Kung sakaling hindi kayo masyadong malakas kumain ng shrimp. I mean, itong ganitong order, technically kayang ubusin ni Amy mag-isa yan eh. Pero kung for sharing naman kayo, up to about 6 people, kayang bigyan. Even the chicken, by the way, yung chicken pala is 8 pieces na malalaki. So, hindi siya 3 to 4, good for 3 to 4. It's really good for 4 to 6 packs yung serving nila. Going back to the shrimp gambas, yung shrimp itself, proper size, malaki. Hindi siya yung mga maliliit na shrimps. Yung pagkakaluto, okay yung pagkakaluto. And the sauce, di overcook. Yung sauce yung pinakamasarap talaga doon. Andun yung sweetness, andun yung savory, andun yung huling kick ng anghang. Pero hindi siya maanghang talaga. So, kahit hindi ka mahilig sa mga manghang, kaya mo to, and masarap siyang isama sa kanin o itatoppings mo siya sa kanin, kahit yung chicken lang kakainin mo, goods yun. So for the shrimp gambas, I'm gonna give this 9.5 out of 10. It's really gonna be a good one. 9.5 out of 10. Some things to consider as well dito. So okay yung yung iced tea na nabili namin, okay siya, masarap. yung medyo hindi man siya downside nung store, pero kung babalikan niyo yung menu, yung shrimp gambas is I think 690 or 640 pesos. Yung chicken is I think about 500 something. And nakalagay kasi doon is good for 3 to 4. So since dito naman kami and may mga kasama kaming mga kaibigan na kumain dito. Although hindi naman kami magkakasama, alam mo yun, yung sharing for everything. Umorder na rin kami dito na food since hindi pa rin naman talaga kami kumakain. So we were thinking na medyo pricey yung mga food nila. I mean, isipin mo na lang, ang isang potahe is almost 700. And then you have, of course, wala pang rice yun. Magra-rice ka pa. Drinks mo kung gusto mo mag-juice, okay, may tubig naman. Libre naman. Pero nung dumating yung order, nagulat kami. Kasi ang laki naman pala. So, from doon sa assumption na ay ang mahal nung pagkain. Nung nakita namin yung quantity nung pagkain, yung size nung pagkain, then biglang nawala yung part na ay mahal. Yun pala is sakto lang pala talaga siya. So yung isang putahe 690, again probably about 6 people. Then you can have what, 115 each para sa shrimp gambas. Sa chicken 590 for 6 people, less than 100, diba? Tapos plus rice, so siguro 200 per packs, 200-250 per packs. Tapos masarap na yung pagkain mo. It's not bad. Parang sa ibang mga kainan nga lang din. Aray. Parang sa ibang kainan ka lang din kumain na ano. And then ito, ang ganda dito, masarap ang pagkain. Maliit lang yung place, pero alam mo yun, yung parang sabi nga nung kasama ko, gusto ko ngang i-gatekeep to kasi ayoko siyang puntahan ng sobrang daming tao na parang alam niyo yung magiging crowded talaga. Dito talagang makakapagkwentuhan kayo ng matiwasay, hindi nyo kailangan magsigawan. And of course, lastly, the view itself. So, against the light, hindi ko na mapakita, pero ayan, ito yung yung view niya. So, aside from the good food, good place, and good view, and you're eating with good people, sulit. So yun lang, this is M&N View Deck cafe or restaurant, parang ganun. And ayun lang, kung kakain kayo dito, I suggest you go with your friends, probably a group of 4 or 5 people. The servings are really huge and masarap, hindi lang siya basta-basta na kain. So ayun, lalagay natin yung nila, yung Facebook page nila if they do have one, and you can check their pictures, you can check their menu via their Facebook page. Alright, so ayun lang guys. Again, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any other places or restaurants or food that you would like us to try, comment down below. Mention nyo lang dyan kung anong gusto nyo i-try. Puntahan natin yan, kainin natin yan, i-try natin at i-rate natin yan based sa kung ano ang aking opinion sa pagkain na ito. Alright? So again, this is Jason. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.